Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Quest Frosted Cookies chocolate cake. And this is going to be an interesting soft baked little treat. So, they have in them only 90 calories, less than 1 gram sugar, 1 gram net carb, 5 grams of protein, too good to be true, tasting is believing. So I guess this is a good keto food. This is 1 gram net carb. Frosted cakes, that's cool. I'm going to get right into it. Ooh, this looks like they're cake bites, but a little bigger. Yeah. Frosted cookies, soft baked. Very much like the cake bites. Alright, I want to take a bite of this and see what it's all about. Oh. It's actually like cake. That's pretty interesting. It's very nice, soft, and light. Doesn't taste like cake bites. It tastes like actual cake. That's really good. For a little piece of cake, that tastes really nice. And, yeah, there's 7 grams of fat in that. So it's a little bit higher in fat than anything else. That's where most of the calories come from. But it's good for keto. Yes, it's keto cake. Last bite. Pretty decent though. So Quest does things a little different than other companies. This one's not as high in protein as some of the other Quest bars out there, but it tastes very nice. So it's good for people on keto because there's only 1 gram of net carb in it. It's mostly fat and it tastes like cake. That's really nice. So if you're on keto and you want something that tastes pretty good, one of these is not too bad. It gives you that craving of sugar or chocolate or cake or whatever it may be without all the extra sugars and carbs and all that jazz. So, really nice. I'd give the Quest Frosted Cookie Chocolate Cake an 8 out of 10. It tastes pretty good. It's nice and soft. Nice texture and good for people on keto. So, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.